Hey everyone, welcome to the Heath Street Minute. 1 minute of knowledge coming at you. In a previous minute, we learned that wood, like my waistline, will expand and contract with the seasons. Now, unlike my waistline, this can be controlled, not prevented, by using breadboard ends. Now, a breadboard end will be attached perpendicular to a tabletop to prevent the top from being able to cup or twist in any way. It stays nice and sturdy with that cross-grain connection there. But now the idea is to capture as much of your tabletop inside the breadboard as possible. Now this can be used using dominoes. You glue those nice and tight right into your tabletop and cut some elongated holes in your breadboard, and then the top can slide about as it pleases. Or you can cut some tenons right into your tabletop, slide those into a groove inside your breadboard, and then the whole thing can slide as it needs. Either way, you gotta control it. Can't prevent it. Work with it. Don't fight it.